Today I'm going to show you how to blur out a moving object using Kinemaster. Okay, let's open up Kinemaster. Let's create new and then select an aspect ratio. And then select the clip you want parts of it blurred out. In this example, I'm going to use one of my motorcycle rides in a place here in Vietnam. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to trim down the clip so that the tutorial won't last that long, or it won't be too long. And also on this example, I'm going to blur out the speedometer. I usually blur out the speedometer so my wife wouldn't see how fast I'm going. Okay, so I have trimmed it down. So now let's select layers, then select effects. After you select effects, you scroll down and you go to basic effects, and here you have two options. You have the Gaussian blur and the mosaic. So we're going to choose the Gaussian blur. So after you have chosen the Gaussian blur, let's crop down that blur to fit on the speedometer or on the object that you want blurred out. The next part will be to move the blur with the object that we want blurred out. So as you can see here, the blur is steady, and because the motorcycle is moving, and in order to do that we need to add some keyframes. Okay, the keyframe is located on the left side. Just click on that, and then as you can see, keyframe is already automatically added. And then when you move the clip, you have to adjust the blur, and then it will add automatically a keyframe. So you'll just have to move the clip forward, and then add the clip, and then adjust the blur whenever the object moves. I'm gonna fast forward this so the video won't be too long, and then let's move on to the final product. Now that we have added all the keyframes, let's review the clip to see if there will be some adjustments that has to be made. Okay, as you see here, I think I missed something there. So you can still go back on the keyframe and add another keyframe. And after you have done all those adjustments, you should be good. Some minor adjustments there. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's review the clip. So far so good. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.